Frustrated with the Courgette Library DLL pop-up blocking Google? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin the walkthrough for Courgette Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Courgette Library, Google's binary differential compression library, Courgette. It manages high-efficiency localized delta patching for the Chrome browser, allowing for localized high-speed updates with minimal bandwidth usage. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. A damaged or incomplete Google installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Google to restore required files such as Courgette Library DLL to the application directory. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Courgette Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Remember that manual replacement of Courgette Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Courgette Library environment. Thank you for trusting us with Courgette Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.